Hi everyone. We've been in this business for a decade and we've seen just about everything. Today, I'm going to tell you what we've actually confirmed in our shop. First, it's important to clarify that Weber publicly identifies the probe fault as E8. If PR1 appears and it's related to temperature, it's worth confirming that the probe is actually the problem. According to Weber, E8 means the sensor isn't connected properly or has stopped working. At our shop, we start with the basics. Turn off the grill and check the probe connection on the back of the Weber Connect module. A loose connector can be enough to prevent the system from receiving the signal. If the error continues, inspect the cable for cuts, burn areas, or severe bends. The probe operates near high heat and can eventually become damaged. Also, don't confuse it with the lead thermometer, since the Genesis Smart uses specific electronic sensors to monitor temperature. If everything looks fine, the probe itself may be defective. We recommend using a part compatible with the exact Genesis model and checking the model number before purchasing a replacement.